So, Ghana's monarch, the Ashanti King Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, is actually becoming more powerful in Africa, and Ghana's monarch really has the potential to unite all Africa monarchs through royal diplomacy. Africa unity, honestly, is closer than you think. The good news is that once prominent traditional families or monarchs are united, the unity of the African people or blacks is somewhat guaranteed. His kingdom has established diplomatic relations with politicians and monarchs across Africa. This relation, you see, can bring about Africa unity. The Ghana monarch, through royal diplomacy, has reached out to many royals and politicians in countries including Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Eswatini, South Africa, and some countries in Northern Africa. Don't forget that he had close relations with the former monarch and head of state of Libya, Muammar Gaddafi. Prominent Nigeria kings know the Ghana monarch is one of a kind. His prominence extends beyond Africa. Not too long ago he was welcomed in Brazil's largest black community. Even the great Buckingham Palace knows the pedigree of the kingdom and the respect and allegiance Ashanti King commands in Ghana and Africa. Yes, Prince Charles and his predecessors know how the British with its mightier army struggled to annex the Ashanti Empire. The Anglo-Ashanti Wars were a series of 5 conflicts fought between the Ashanti Empire and the British Empire between 1823 and 1900. These wars, fought on the Gold Coast, which is present-day Ghana, were primarily driven by British imperialism and Ashanti resistance to British influence and control. The Ashanti Empire, a powerful and independent kingdom in the region, fiercely resisted British encroachment on their territory and sovereignty. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see how the unity among African monarchs unite the entire continent.